Taking regular care of your sheet vinyl is simple and can add years to the life of your floor. Remove dust and grit particles frequently by sweeping or vacuuming. Don't use a vacuum with a beater bar as it may scratch your floor. The attachments that come with your vacuum are useful to clean the edges or to get to hard-to-reach areas. When sweeping or vacuuming does not remove dirt, mop the floor with clean, warm water. Rinse the floor thoroughly with fresh water. If water alone does not clean the surface, use cleaning products recommended by the manufacturer of the flooring. Flooring manufacturers' recommendations for particular cleaning products do vary. For spots or spills, use a clean cloth to wipe the cleaner onto the floor. Avoid highly abrasive scrubbing tools as they will leave scratches. Rinse the floor thoroughly and wipe dry with a clean cloth. This will enhance the shine on your floor. If you use a commercial product, make sure the floor manufacturer recommends the product and that the product label indicates self-cleaning, meaning you will not get an accumulation of wax on your floor. Protect your vinyl floor from damage by covering the legs of furniture with felt protectors. Take great precaution when moving heavy furniture or appliances. Using sheets of plywood when moving objects will protect your floor. Be sure to avoid using rubber-backed mats or rugs as they can damage and potentially discolor your floor. Instead, use mats made especially for sheet vinyl floors and remember to shake them out regularly. No matter which vinyl you choose, all sheet vinyl can dent or tear, and damage of this nature is not covered by warranty. For example, stiletto heels can dent or scratch your vinyl floor. Homeowners are responsible to maintain caulking in heavy water use areas.